Yay, I'm a winner. I got 1 in a row. Oh, good job, Sidra. Thank you. Oh, hello guys. My name is Lilian and I'm 7 years old. And my name is Sidra. I'm 6 years old. Welcome to our channel, and our channel's name is Sisters Fun TV. We will share with you so many beautiful videos. We'll share with you a lot of fun videos and pretty videos. Happy, fun, learning. There are 2 little kittens. They are so cute. Would you like to see them? Now we will let you know about them. This is Fluffy and this is a girl. And this is Nello and she's a boy. Take care about them. They are so cute and lovely. They love to play a lot. Now we will let you see how they will play. The few of the videos. Love you so much. Be sure to love the channel and don't forget to do like and share and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell button so you can get our new videos. Bye.